Welcome to Vedic Mathematics Basis-Based Values classes. We are learning 5-space VMST. In phase 10, we are focusing upon Shipron, the ancient textbook. In this lesson 58, our focus is going to be upon the transition from diamond format. Diamond format is provided to each of the letters of the text of Ganita Sutras, and this diamond format in its paired pairs format of object and image as reflection pair of objects and images is of this format. So reach from this diamond format to this paired pair of diamond formats is the focus of the today's lessons. Vedic systems are approaching upon the format of a Sthapatya miring rod. Sthapatya miring rod is a synthetic setup of hypercubes 1 to 6. Hypercube itself is a manifested fourfold manifestation layer. Therefore, the four consecutive spaces simultaneously manifest, and it is this entity which simultaneously manifests as quadruple space contents that brings us face to face with the phenomenon of a pair of paired diamonds. Diamond is a synthetic setup of two monads, so pair of two paired monads, so pair of diamonds is a setup of quadruple monads. The hypercube 4 as fourfold manifestation layer is of the format of four consecutive values as a set, or four consecutive dimensional space contents manifesting simultaneously. It is a phenomenon of a creator's space. It is a phenomenon of four space. Four space is a spatial order space. It is a space with two space playing the role of a dimension. This creator's space is presided by Lord Brahma, creator the supreme, a four-head Lord with each head equipped with a pair of eyes. The pair of eyes as such make a format of a diamond. So from diamond format, from the format of a head with a pair of eyes, we have to transit, and this transition in fact is to take us to the setup of a trimonad. The trimonad is the setup of 5 space of a transcendental domain. This transcendental domain is a solid order domain. This domain is presided by Lord Shiv, 5-head Lord with triple eyes in each head. Therefore, the transition from diamond format, we have to reach at the trimonad format. So this transition from spatial order space, four space, space of Lord Brahma, we have to reach at the space of a transcendental Lord, a Lord of 5 head with each head equipped with triple eyes. Therefore, it is this transition which is being attained successfully by the Vedic system. As such, the transition from diamond format would mean that this pair of components, these pair of monads synthesized as a dimonad, is to transit into a setup which will be of three components. It is as if this paired pair of dimonads as object and image, when is brought nearer as if the mirror is no more there, then this second monad of the first dimonad and the first monad of the second dimonad as image, when they get synthesized, it will make a setup of this white color monad, then both the shaded colored monads will get synthesized and will get unified, and the third would be a white. Therefore, a white, shaded and white, it will take this particular shape. How this happens, what is the impact of it, what are the changes, what are the transformation. Therefore, we are focusing today as to how a dimonad, when synthesizes with its image as a reflection image, as a mirror reflection image, with the mirror getting dispensed with. So here the dispensing of the mirror between the object and the image and the consequential synthesis of the second part in such a way that both middle parts, so these four parts with this pair of a middle parts, so the pair of the middle parts getting synthesized, getting unified and becoming a one monad. Therefore, these pair of monads actually get unified and become a monad, and as a consequence we get a organization format of a trimonad. Let us revisit the Ganita Sutras. Ganita Sutra 1, Eka Adhikain Purvain, is a composition of the text as a pair of formulations. Here the pair of formulations are the features of Ganita Sutra 1. However, when we transit from the text of Ganita Sutra 1 and we reach at the text of Ganita Sutra 2, then we see that here the scripture, here the text is a composition of three formulations. So Ganita Sutra 1 text as a text of a pair of formulations, and Ganita Sutra 2 as a text of triple formulations. So in fact the transition from Ganita Sutra 1 to Ganita Sutra 2 is a transition from the format of a dimonad to a format of a trimonad. It is this feature, it is this mathematics, it is this domain which deserves to be focused, deserves to be imbibed, deserves to be appreciated, so that we can have a proper comprehension of, where we have proper insight of the transition from the dimonad format. Here we are having text of Ganita Sutra 1 as Eka Adhikain as first formulation, Purvain as the second formulation. So it is of the format of a dimonad. The Ganita Sutra 3 is a text Nikhilim Navastacharamam Dashata. It is a text of triple formulations, so it is of a trimonad format. So we can make a note as that the mathematics of Ganita Sutras as such is the mathematics which essentially at the outset is acquiring, absorbing, is the transition from dimonad format to a trimonad format. This transition from dimonad format to trimonad format is being attained in the form of an augmented text by bringing in Ganita Upsutra 1. Here Ganita Upsutra 1 is brought in. So Ganita Upsutra 1 is brought in and it bridges this particular gap. This bridging of the gap of Ganita Sutra 1 and Ganita Sutra 2 in this particular context amounts to bridging the gap from dimonad format to a trimonad format. So transition from dimonad format to trimonad format is attained in the form of the augmented text, which brings in Ganita Upsutra 1. Therefore, Ganita Upsutra 1 is being availed for having a chase of the mathematics of transition from the format of Ganita Sutra 2 to Ganita Upsutra to Ganita Sutra 2. So, Ganita Sutra 1 to Ganita Sutra 2 as a transition from dimonad format to trimonad format is being attained with the help of the mathematics of Ganita Upsutra 1, which itself is a monad. Therefore, the transition from dimonad format, this monad 1 and monad 2, to a trimonad format, monad 1, monad 2 and monad 3 is being attained by bringing in an additional monad here. It is this additional monad, so the pair of monads already available in the format of Ekadhiken Purve with the additional monad of the Ganita Upsutra 1 makes it availability of the triple monads. So these triple monads as such on the face of it takes us to the need and availability of the triple monad setup needed for the text of Ganita Sutra 2. It is the first feature. Now we see that Eka Adhiken formulation itself, this monad itself is in fact a dimonad because it is Eka, Ek and Adhike, Adhik. There are two sub-formulations here. So this M1 in fact is a dimonad. So this dimonad of Ek and Adhik is making. So therefore this monad in fact is a dimonad. Now here in Ganita Sutra 2, Navastha Charamam as well is a dimonad. Therefore the middle monad here is a dimonad. So when we are having the format of Ganita Sutra 1, Ekadhiken Purven, then we are actually having dimonad and monad. So here is an availability of a dimonad as a monad and a monad. Then we are having Anurupen, another monad. This another monad's availability makes it one dimonad and a pair of monads. Here one dimonad and the pair of monads. So dimonad and a pair of monads are available to us, and it makes us a format that we have one format, one monad, and the pair of monads, dimonad and a monad. How is it that at the middle we will be having a synthesis of the monads as a dimonad? So this transition from Ganita Sutra 1 to Ganita Sutra 2 with the help of Ganita Upsutra 1 as a format, as that it is a dimonad format with the first part itself of a dimonad format, and the attainment is to be of a trimonad format, but the middle itself is of a dimonad format. Therefore, let us have a pictorial representation as if the dimonad is here of white part and a shaded part. When we have its image, it will be shaded part and a white part, and thereby we'll be having the quadruple monads with us, but the absence of a mirror. So this internal shaded monads, pair of shaded monads, will, because of the same features, because of same format, because of same values, will be giving us a format that we will be having a white monad, then we'll have a diamond in the form of a dimonad, but a single monad and a monad. So it would be a format of a triple monad. Let us sit comfortably. Let us sequentially chase this phenomenon of transition from the dimonad format to a trimonad format as a shift from the spatial order 2 space in the role of dimension to 3 space in the role of a dimension. So in fact we are reaching at 4 space creator space with 2 space in the role of a dimension to a transcendental domain 5 space with 3 space in the role of a dimension. Lord Brahma with its 4 heads is having pair of eyes in each head, and Lord Shiv, 5-head Lord, is having triple eyes in each of the heads. Therefore, from here, from this first initial features in the form of the object and image as a reflection pair which invites a mirror in between. So this invitation for the mirror, for having a split, for a trimonad into a paired pair of monads. Therefore, once we have to reach from a dimonad with its image as another dimonad, so this pair of dimonads in the features of object and image, and this object and image inherently brings in, it invites it finds the presence of a mirror. Therefore, the paired pair of dimonads in the format of an object and image will inherently accept that there is an availability of a mirror. It is this concept, it is this comprehension, it is this requirement, it is this availability, it is this inherent feature in this setup which is being fully exploited by the Vedic systems. In fact, the Vedic systems are successful as they are successful to bring in the mirrors for the artifices of numbers. So artifices of numbers are getting organized, getting coordinated, getting synthesized as there is inherent availability of the mirrors. Therefore, availability, presence of the mirrors which synthesize the artifices of numbers is one concept which brings Vedic mathematics at a higher step, higher pedestal than the modern system. In the modern system, we are having a place value system, but yet we have not been in a position to conceive, to perceive, to glimpse, to imbibe, and to work out the existence of the mirrors, inherent placement of the mirrors in the organization of the values of the numbers, permitting change as artifices of numbers, is yet to be conceived, is yet to be worked out by the modern systems. For it, let us illustrate that, let us organize the numbers, say 1 to 100. These numbers 1 to 100 originally as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 are single digit numbers, and it would be progression as if going to be eka adhike purve, a single digit values, as counts, single digit values counts as the entities which are being worked out, which are being arranged, which are being organized in terms of the mathematics of ekadhiken purve. So entities as values, as counts, as single digits, as monads. Therefore, initially ekadhiken purve mathematics is of the format of working the entities as values, as counts, and as monads. So the monads, entities, values, counts are being as single digit entities. It is like a bamboo with, say, going to be many phases of it. So it is one step, second step, third step, fourth step, fifth step, but all steps are entities as counts, as monads. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 initially will be of the format of the monads. However, these monads, these 1 to 9 as double digit numbers will be 01, 02, 03, 04, 05, 06, 07, 08, and 09. Now these numbers as double digit numbers. So transition and transformation for the single digit numbers will transform the mathematics of Ekadik in Purve. It will take us from the single digit mathematics with the help of symmetry, Anurupen, and we will reach the mathematics of the Ganita Sutra 2, which in fact is the mathematics of a place value system. Therefore, from the 9 numerals, 9 single digit numbers, so 9 steps of the format as counts as single digits sequence organization, we will be reaching at the place value system. We will be reaching at a double digit transition and transformation. So transition and transformation for the numerals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 as double digit numbers 01, 02, 03, 04, 05, 06, 07, 08, 09 is the feature which deserves to be comprehended well. It is because of it that we will be reaching at a place value. Nikhilim Namasta Charmam Dashata. It essentially means all from 9 and last from the 10. All from the 9 and the last from the 10. It is here where the 10 gets classified and goes to the next class. However, as a double digit number, 01 and 10 constitutes a reflection pair. It is this attainment, it is this reach, it is this emergence, it is this evolution, it is this play of the transition from single digit organization to double digit organization that the 10, which is a place value, in fact amounts to having a constitution of a dimonad, and this dimonad of the first count with the last count as the place value count, making it as a dimonad format. Therefore, let us make a note as that the transition from the mathematics of Ganita Sutra 1 to the mathematics of Ganita Sutra 2 with the help of mathematics of Ganita Sutra 1 in essentially taking us at first instance to a transition for the format which will be attaining transition for the monad into a format of a dimonad, and this dimonad format is of 01 and 10. It is of an object and an image, and this object and image attainment and this object and image reach and making it a reflection pair of an object and image for the pair of dimonads. Therefore, paired pair of dimonads is the first feature of the format which is being attained by the Vedic mathematics by having initially a mathematical domain of single digit sequential organization, and at the next step it is going to be of a double digit organization, and this double digit organization mathematics of Ganita Sutra 2 is taking us to a place value system. Initially it is of a 10 place value system. However, with the help of Anarupen, this symmetry rule, this can be any system. Therefore, any range of numerals, say any place value, say n, with its numerals n minus 1, when goes as n cross n, it grid that we have seen in the context of 5 cross 5 grid as is of the Varga consonants. However, this as a n minus 1 into n plus 1 grid will be making this organization format. This organization format of double digits organization, n minus 1 grid into n plus 1 grid, is the achievement, is the breakthrough of the Vedic mathematics. Vedic mathematics' real success in the arithmetics to be approached along algebraic formats, and algebra to be approached on the geometric formats, and geometry to be approached upon the manifestation layers, and manifestation layers to be approached on the transcendental domain, transcendental base, and then the transcendental grace of its own, embracing the sadhaka's intelligence field and the rest of the phenomenon happening of its own. Let us sit comfortably. Let us permit the transcending mind to glimpse this happening, this transition, and in this way, moment we transit from the format of monad to a format of a dimonad, moment we shift from the single digit values entities making a sequence to double digit entities making a sequence, moment we reach from monad to dimonad, this dimonad reach, this transition from monad to dimonad is the transition which is bringing in a place value system. And with bringing in of a place value system, there comes to be a reflection pairing. This dimonad format inherently brings in the mirrors. This values mirror being brought in by the transition from monad to dimonad. So dimonads bring in the mirrors. These artifices of the numbers values bring in the mirrors. This organization deserves to be glimpsed time and again. We can see that this double digit numbers range 01 to 99 gets classified in such a way that there happens to be a mirror line at 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. There is a mirror line, as that this mirror line, this mirror base brings in the objects of, brings in the images of these objects 01, 02, 03, 04, 05, 06, 07, 08, 09, and this number 100, a triple digit number, goes out of it. It transcends, it goes ahead of this grid. So n minus 1 into n plus 1, 9 into 11 grid transcends out n square. Therefore n square goes out of this organization format, and it is the essential feature. Then this grid gets classified in two parts: a upper part which is of the baseline and this diagonal line. It makes an upper line, as that around the mirror line at 11, 22, 33 and 44, coordinated by 01 and 10 and 45 and 54. Along this mirror line, the numbers are making the reflection pairs. Therefore, this mirror in this particular part is organizing and coordinating the numbers of the upper part as the reflection pairs. Likewise, the mirror line 55, 66, 77, 88 and 99 as well is organizing the lower part as a reflection pairs. It is this organization of the upper part and of the lower part as separate classes of reflection pairs which is the attainment, and it is the basic mathematical format. It is the basic format of the Vedic systems, in terms of which the Vedic systems have been successful to have a parallel system for the arithmetic, algebra, geometry, and the manifested forms existence, and even the transcendental existence phenomenon. Therefore, the students of Vedic mathematics, science and technology shall rewrite this particular table, see that the mirror line 11, 22, 33 and 44 with the end values of the dimonads, making it a mirror line in terms of which the upper part is getting coordinated as the set of reflection pairs of this mirror line. Likewise, the lower part as well gets organized as a set of reflection pairs around this mirror line. Therefore, the answers for all. This is the way how the Sankhya Nishta and Yoga Nishta simultaneously play their role as complementary and supplementary of each other, and then we can say that our classical mathematical operations, when get augmented by the reflection operation as a distinct operation, then we will be in a position to see, visualize, glimpse, and go parallel to what is happening within the rays of the sun. So once we will be parallel to what is happening within the rays of the sun, then our existence phenomenon, our thinking process, and our intelligence reach also would be of a natural order. Thank you very much.